Welcome to our lesson on modal G-codes in CNC programming. Let's understand what modal means and look at some important examples. In CNC programming, a modal command is one that remains active until it's explicitly changed by another command. Think of it like a switch that stays on until you flip it to a different setting. Let's look at our first example, G01 linear interpolation. Once activated, all movements are interpreted as straight lines until another motion command is given. Here's how a tool would move under G01 control. Our second example is G17 XY plane selection. This sets the active plane for circular movements to the XY plane. It remains active until changed by G18 for XZ plane or G19 for YZ plane. Our final example is G90 absolute positioning. In this mode, all coordinates are measured from the machine 0 point. For example, moving to X2, Y2 will always go to the same position, regardless of the current tool location. Remember, these modal commands stay active until explicitly changed. This makes G-code programming more efficient, since you don't need to specify these commands in every line of code.